So we are going to build Mario Kart today and Luigi. This should be a good print, to tell you the truth. So let's send the files to the printer. Then we're going to put it together and then we're going to show you it. This might be a good one actually. So first of all, we've got plate number 1 ready. That's plate number 2 ready. Put all these parts in the box so don't lose them. So the first plate is done. My third plate is done. And my fourth plate is done. And my fifth plate's done. So all that is vehicle number 1. Wow, that's got to putting together. What I need to do now is print vehicle number 2. So yeah, it's got 5 on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the number 2 printer because it's white. 30 grams that, so that can disappear to it. I need this one sending to an A1 printer, which will be that one, and that's in my number 2 printer. That one in black, that one can go to my number 1 printer. Is that yellow? That can go to my P1S, and then I've got this one now, which is red, and then that one can go to my A1 number 3. 14 grams that one. Yeah, that's that full plate sent to printers. All that has been sent to all the printers now. All these are to send to, well, they've all sent to printer now, all 7 of them. So we're finished with that file now. So we have a go at this. Because I need a tub. So this is the first car. This lot, a lot of parts, isn't there? So we need a gap in this lot. So we've got a base. Right, this one should be a bit easier, shouldn't it? there's the first one. That took a lot putting together. Look, it's got a twisty head as well. So it looks like the file's off somebody else, and on the back of his eye it says FAMP 365. So I'm guessing that's somebody who makes them as well. But if you didn't want that on, you just sand it off, to tell you the truth. I don't know why people put the logos on them. The wheels move as well. His head moves. And you can move his arms and his legs as well. So that's vehicle number 1. Now we need to crack on with the other one, don't we? I just noticed checking him. He's got a tash now. I forgot it, yeah. Number 1. Number 2. All complete. So where did I find these files? I found these on MakerWorld. I found the car as one file, and then on the same file I found this car, so I will put the link in the description for them. Also, I had to find the adjustable men, which on Mario his head moves and his arm moves, but I glued him on because I'm going to use it as an ornament. But he's flexible, he all move. And then on Luigi, same thing, his head moves, and by the way, all these wheels move as well. So only thing it don't do is blow smoke. So that is them complete. So that is a nice little short video, to tell you the truth. I'm not going to bore you with loads of prints because it's just 2 cars, and I thought the video would take longer to make, but it is what it is, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that one. Oh, by the way, make sure you subscribe, because we're getting some subscribers lately, and there are a lot of new subscribers. I don't know where you're all from. So if you could leave a comment of where you're from, like for an example America or England, etc. I know what to do. And I have had a couple of comments from Americans saying they don't understand my English accent, but they have said looking for subtitles. It's a Yorkshire, broad Yorkshire accent. So I am sorry about my lingo, but unfortunately I was born in England and I can't change my accent, can I? So there we go. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I will catch you on the next video. Oh, and leave another comment. What would you like me to build? What would you like to see? I've got some AI software again coming up, which you might enjoy that one. But currently, as you can see in the background, I'm printing a few models of people's dogs and a princess. So I will catch you on the next one, and I will catch you later.